Hi everyone, let's do a song called Yeshu by Amit Kamble sir. So it's a Christian worship song and it has been sung in the key of E major. So instead of playing the chords E major, A major and B major again being a bar chord, so I choose to place a capo on the second fret and we can play the chords D, G and A. The song is very simple. It's like it has one chorus and two verses. Both the verses are of two lines each. But the tricky part is every verse is sung thrice. Like the first verse is sung thrice and the same goes for the second verse. Since the song is on a very slow tempo, I'll just play it once with all the chords. I'm sure you'll get it. The strumming pattern that we'll use for this song is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. In case you're not familiar with the strumming pattern, you can check in the description box. I have put a tutorial for the strumming pattern as well. So it goes like down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Yeshu, 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 Yeshu. तू है महान, तू है प्रधान, सर्वशक्तिमान, ये है तेरी पहचान। तू है महान, तू है प्रधान, सर्वशक्तिमान, ये है तेरी पहचान। तू है महान, तू है प्रधान, सर्वशक्तिमान, ये है तेरी पहचान। यीशु, 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 यीशु। तू है जहां, तेरा प्यार वहाँ, तेरा प्यार जहाँ, जीवन है वहाँ। तू है जहाँ, तेरा प्यार वहाँ, तेरा प्यार जहाँ, जीवन है वहाँ। तू है जहाँ, तेरा प्यार वहाँ, तेरा प्यार जहाँ, जीवन है वहाँ। Thank you.